Hello friends, today I want to show you the method to use the real world location height map to make the terrain. So let's start. So first of all, we need to create the plane, and I will just subdivide the plane by 100, and then I will go to the modifier and select the displace modifier, and then you can just click on this icon to take your terrain height image. But for this I will just choose the terrain party sites, and you can put your location which you want to use for the terrain. So here I am searching for the locations in India which is called the Kargil, right? So yeah, this is my location which I want to generate the height map from here. So you can just make the selection small and large from using the plus and minus sign, then click on the download button and just write the name. Now my terrain height is just downloaded. So just I will go to the location and copy this site and move this folder onto the another folder. So here I will just paste my downloaded file, and then I will extract this file. Now you can see here there are some maps, height map generated. So in this map I am not going to use all of the maps, so I will delete unnecessary map, but I will only keep the 30-meter height terrain map here. Okay, then just go to the Blender and click on the little icon, and then just open the image from that location. So in my case I have just selected in eDrive, so just open it, and now you can see the terrain is just generated. So it's look perfect. Now just make the shade smooth so that it will look clear, there is no pixels. Okay, so as you can see this is looking very fine currently. Now you can just change the color mode here to make some of the difference in the terrain. So you can use the raw, linear, and you can also check the options here, but in my case I will use the sRGB because I want to use the same terrain height. And now you can see there is some of the artifact on the edge boundary line. So there is an option where you can just crop that area. So for this you need to go under the mapping and select the crops, and here there is two options, maximize and the minimize. So there is the X and the Y direction, so you can just drag it and crop that area which is looks artifact. Okay, so let me do this. So there is 0.02 on the x-axis. Yeah, it's much perfect. Now I will do the similar thing on the another axis. So this is the maximize part. So yeah, so for the good result you can just use the 0.02 and the bottom value is 0.98, and it will work perfect because I only want to crop the 2 pixels of the terrain, so that's why I used the value of the 0.02, but you can use what you want to crops. So guys, there is also one more options in this setting which is very cool, and by this you can just change the brightness and the contrast of this Terion to control the height. Okay, so this is something cool feature here. So you can use this to maintain the Terion height, and saturation, I don't know why the saturation is not much working correctly, but you can just play with the brightness and the contrast and it will work for you. Okay, so again there is also one another option, RG and B, so you can also control the value from there. So I hope you will understand the method. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.